What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Narzo N63. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option connection and sharing. Now click on it and then click on personal hotspot. Now here you can check your personal hotspot. If you turn on your personal hotspot, then turn it off. After turn off your personal hotspot, then check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection, and after that scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.